Hello, welcome back. Sorry if there's any background noise, but we're in the unit, and we're in the unit, and I've got the jet ski. I took off some of the exhaust just so you can actually, see the inside and see the carburetors and everything. So the exhaust got taken off a couple days ago, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take off the carbs. I'm gonna clean them, and I'm basically just gonna make sure that everything, all the oil lines, all the fuel lines are in good working condition. So this is what I'm doing today. Take off the carbs, clean them out, and see if I can't find anything that would be obstructing one of the two cylinders from firing. Now, last time when I did take it apart, we looked at the air box. The airbox sits in front, like right over here. It attaches there with these little clips, but it has these two fuel lines that go into it, right? It has 1 and 2. One of these isn't attached, right? It just comes off. It just comes off like that. So that could have been the issue. Maybe it wasn't getting enough fuel, but it just doesn't make sense why it would go on and off like that if it didn't have enough fuel in the carb. Especially because if you look at all of the yellow and the green lines, those are all fuel lines. Every single one of those is a fuel line. So, yeah, I gotta take it off, gotta figure out how it runs, what makes it tick, and move forward from there. Alright, so after a considerable amount of time, I got the engine lifted up. I'm using the car jack. It's pretty sketchy, but it's strong, it's holding up, and this engine isn't very heavy anyways. I've got it jacked up. I wasn't able to take off the carbs over here due to the fact that, well, there are some bolts down on the bottom, and I couldn't get to all of them just because of how I had to stick my arm underneath it. So I had to pull this up, and well, it's definitely a view. I can't pull it up anymore because this is as high as the car jack will go. I could shorten these, but this is high enough. So gonna take it up. We're gonna do the work on the carbs, clean them out, hopefully. If I ever even get there. This already took a couple hours, so yeah. Alright, so welcome back. I got the carbs here, and gotta clean them out, do that junk. If you look over here, it looks like work's been done to this engine before. I mean, that can't be stock, that gasket. There's also some other things I've noticed. I mean, part of this is bent, so work's been done to this jet ski before, this engine. Really, as is right now, one of the carb thingies here, put on. So as you see this, it opens and closes all nice. This one, it's stuck open. Now, it just doesn't feel lubricated. That might be part of it. This could also be the reason why I was kept losing a cylinder. It could have been stuck open in full throttle mode on one of the cylinders, and the other one was actually working properly and closing when I needed it to. So that could be what was wrong. This could actually, no, there's no way this is intentionally designed this way. But I'm going to lubricate the spring, make sure that everything is contracting nicely and properly. And I'll just see what I'm doing next, I guess. Alright, so I got the top off of one of the carbs, and if you look here, I got a little piece sticking there, and it looks like it's covering up what could be one of the entrances for fuel for one of the jets. I know I'm not doing this in the right order. I should have already dumped the fuel out by now, but it wasn't coming out, so yeah. That was in there. There's some other foreign particles, so I think I'm just going to take it apart, like completely, spray it down with carb cleaner, and then do the other side. But that's gonna conclude it for today. Get it? Gasoline. I don't have enough time. I gotta get home. Got some stuff to do. But definitely next time I'm down here at the unit, I'm gonna get this finished up. Hopefully, I'm gonna get the carbs cleaned. I think that was the main issue. The carbs just weren't clean, and I really hope that was just the only issue with the engine. Because if that's the case, I can just clean it out, throw the carbs back in it, and I can start working on the body, which needs cleaning and, modification. So that's going to be that. Gotta lower the engine back into the jet ski. So we're gonna pull the safety latches, because obviously I could just leave it up, but if I left it out like this, well, let's just say that you don't want to do that. So let's go ahead and start to lower it. It just slides into place really nicely. Oh, heard something. Yeah. Oh. One of the wires got caught underneath an engine mount. I can talk, apparently. There we go. Gonna go ahead and move those cables away from it. The reason I need to lower it down all the way is because this is being suspended with springs, and while the lift has a safety mechanism, but the ropes do not. They're just ropes. They're not metal, nothing like that. So, you know, put it all back down. That looks like a hazard right there. Well, it's a good thing it's a reversible zip tie. And there we go. Engine's just gonna chill out in there for a couple days. Yeah, there we go. And I'll be back for you, buddy. But I'm gonna take the carbs home today. I'm gonna clean them at my house, just because I don't want to have to come all the way out here, just in case. So I have something to do tomorrow, and I have a video to make tomorrow. So I'm gonna take the carbs. I'm gonna take some tools. I'm gonna clean them out, put them back together, and it should be good. So thanks for watching. Second episode, second installment, second whatever you want to call it, the jet ski project. Hope you enjoyed. Click the like button, subscribe if you're new. I hope to see you soon, because this will be fun. And definitely subscribe so then I can get ads, and then you have to sit through ads at the start of my videos, but it makes me money, so just do that. Click that. Yeah. Thank you. Bye.